Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to DaVinci Resolve Studio on Windows 11. As you can see here, I have DaVinci Resolve 19, the free version, but I recently purchased DaVinci Resolve Studio. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up DaVinci Resolve Studio on Windows 11. I'm going to open a new instance of a browser, search for DaVinci Resolve, download, and then I'll click enter, click on the first link. Once I click on that, it takes me to the landing page. I'm just going to scroll down. If you have not purchased the application, you should click on buy online now. Just if you're buying it for the first time, go through the process, input your information and pay for the application. It costs $2.95. Given that we already paid for the application, I'm trying to activate DaVinci Studio on 2 devices. I already showed you how to activate that on Mac Mini. I'm going to go back one. Now I'm going to show you how to activate on Windows 11. So if you've already paid for DaVinci Resolve Studio, come to this page. Instead of clicking buy online now, click on free download. To the left you have DaVinci Resolve, so this is the free version. Instead of downloading this one, you're going to download this because you want to upgrade from DaVinci Resolve to DaVinci Resolve Studio, which is the paid version. We are on Windows, so we are going to be downloading this version, Windows 86. On this page, don't fill any details here if you already paid for the application. Scroll down to the very bottom, download only, click on download only. I'm going to leave it to my downloads folder and then I'll click save. As you can see over here, DaVinci Resolve Studio 19.1 is downloading. Wait for the download to finish. DaVinci Resolve Studio 19 download is done. I'll click on show in folder. Here you have DaVinci Resolve Studio 19 for Windows. I'm going to right click and I will do extract all. Extract it into that same location. I will do extract. Once it extracts the files, then we are going to install. That was a compressed file that we downloaded because it's a very large file. We have to extract to get the content of files within the folder. That should also contain the installer. So once we extract it, we are going to be able to use it. To just click on the installer and then go through the process. It has extracted the files. This is the installer for DaVinci Resolve Studio. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? When installing applications, always click yes to this prompt. If not, it will not install. So I'm going to click yes and then we will go through and install DaVinci Resolve. It's going to install DaVinci Resolve 19.1. Going to install Blackmagic Raw. Let me minimize this window and let me minimize this and this as well, and let me just bring it over to the corner. In order to install Resolve, you must install these components. I'll just click install and it's going to go through and install the components necessary for us to install DaVinci Resolve. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will install DaVinci Resolve on your computer. So click next to continue or cancel to exit the wizard. So I'll click next to continue, then I will read through the license terms and conditions and then I'll accept the terms in the license agreement and I'll click next, and I will leave that installation to my program files and then I'll click next, and it is ready to install DaVinci Resolve. So I'll click install to begin installation. DaVinci Resolve is installing, removing backup files, and it's removing backup files because I had a copy of DaVinci Resolve free version on my machine. Now we are downloading and installing the paid version, DaVinci Studio 19.1. It's almost done. The installation is complete, so I will just click finish. The installation is complete and it was successful. I will just click OK. That should close out. Now you can see here on my desktop I have a DaVinci Resolve icon. This is not the basic version. I'm just going to double click on that to open DaVinci Resolve Studio. This is where you're going to activate it. You can activate DaVinci Resolve Studio using a license key, or you can use a Blackmagic iCloud ID. I have a license key. When you purchase DaVinci Resolve, they're going to give you an activation or a license key. You're also going to receive your Blackmagic iCloud ID in an email. I have my license key, so I'm going to say use license key and then I'll click continue, and then here I'll enter my license key. This license key is private. You should keep it private. Don't share it. To activate DaVinci Resolve, we are using the license key option. You could also use your DaVinci Resolve Cloud ID. I've entered the license key. Now click activate. It has been activated. Check mark indicates that it has been activated. Click continue. DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. it brought over my projects from DaVinci Resolve. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? Windows Firewall has blocked some features of Fusion script services for Fusion Studio on all public and private networks. The reason that Windows selects public, private, or domain based on your current network settings is because it will cause mass mayhem for most end users if they instead defaulted to private or domain. None of the apps that require inbound network connections will work because the safe default for networks is pub, while the safe default for firewall rules is private. Click allow. So here are the different projects that I'm working on. Let me just open this one for Mac Mini. We have successfully upgraded from DaVinci Resolve to DaVinci Resolve Studio, the paid version. This version has more features. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. As you can see here, it is DaVinci Resolve Studio 19 and not just DaVinci Resolve. This is how you can upgrade from DaVinci Resolve, the free version, to DaVinci Resolve Studio on Windows 11. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.